Oh, this is embarrassing. Well, this is VW Live. My lights are on, my car died.
What are you doing today, Pops?
Good morning, AJ. Well, today is the annual Volkswagen Winter Cruise, Aircoolers Winter Cruise. Man, today we're going to go to the fabulous Blue Bonnet Cafe in Marble Falls.
That's the one with the pie, right?
Yeah, they have nice pies. So you can eat some pie, home cooking. And so it's a good thing they're going to cruise 1431. It's this really curvy road through the Texas Hill Country. Beautiful, beautiful. And then we're going spelunkering.
Spelunkering?
Yeah, don't forget your headlights. Oh, your headlighghts, because you're going to need it in the caves. Actually, we're going to Longhorn Cavern State Park. So we're going to go there, and with a bunch of Volkswagens, it should be a good day. It's not snowing. That's a good thing. That's a good thing, but it is a little chillier than we thought, but that's okay. We have heaters. Volkswagens like the cold. Oh, they're from Germany. Air cool, baby, air cool. So are you ready?
I'm ready. Are you ready?
All right, y'all ready? Let's go on a cruise. Boom.
If you like what you're seeing, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Because here at VW Live, we do adventures, and we want to hear about yours, and we want you to follow along with us because that's what VW Life's all about, baby! All right, ladies of the Volkswagen world. Have you ever been on the winter cruise before?
Nope. First time.
What? Y'all never been on a winter cruise before?
Nope.
Are y'all nervous for today?
No, my car's ready, man. All the fluids are changed, new master cylinder.
Ooh, fancy.
I mean, the inside doesn't look that great because I ripped it apart, but I'm ready.
My Lily had an oil change and we just got gas, and I've never been on the winter cruise either.
Now, have y'all ever been spelunking?
No.
No. Well, hope y'all are ready for pies. I really
But we drive Volkswagens.
drive Volkswagens.
I'm going because I heard there would be pie.
Yes, pie.
Really?
Yeah, there's pie.
Where?
Blue Bonnet Cafe.
Welcome everybody to the annual VW Winter Cruise. Give yourself a round of applause for being here. Well, thank you guys for being here, and I did see some blue skies, so I think it's going to clear up. We're going to have a good day. We're going to probably get lost going through Cedar Park. So the good news is, if we roll out 1431, there's a QT, big old brand new gas station on the right after you kind of clear out of town a little bit. So let's pull in there. If you need to top off, you can top off, get you a snack or something like that. We're going to go nice and slow, and we see a good spot somewhere in Smithwick, we can stop and take some pictures or something like that. So glad everybody's here.
It's like the 60s out here with all these Volkswagens. Oh look, Turby. So they're making us take shots to celebrate the, cruise. We got a lot of people. It's their first time. Like these people right here. It's their first cruise. What are y'all's names?
Name?
Jackson.
Justin and Jackson.
Justin and Jackson.
Yep.
Boom. Y'all's first cruise?
First cruise.
Y'all excited?
We are excited, beyond excited.
Be honest, have y'all ever gone spelunking?
Have you been spelunking before?
I don't know what that is.
Yes, we've been spelunking. He just doesn't remember.
No, I've
Well, welcome, and let's hope it's a good one.
Thank you.
There it is.
drugs. Liquid ecstasy. Well, Pops, we just did shots, and what's next?
I'm going schizo, man. I don't know what Alice put in that. See? Look what I did to Whitney.
We got 14 Volkswagens.
14 VWs, and we're ready to cruise to the hill country, baby. Next stop, Smithwick. Let's do this stuff. You ready? VW Live. Make sure that you like what you see. Please comment and subscribe. Tell your friends, tell your aunts, tell everybody about VW Live. This is what we do. Look at this. This is impromptu. We planned this within like the last week. This is what you have, and do it out there, people. Do it. Make it happen, baby.
Is that a new chip, Daddy Martin?
Look how many chips are in that thing.
That doesn't show on camera.
It needs to be painted one day anyway.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. All right. Damn it. Oh, this is embarrassing. Well, this is VW Live. My lights are on, my car died. Got rescued by my buddies. They came back for me. The generator bearings froze, a little locked up. So I'm gonna leave Ziggy here and hope it's back later today. VW Live. All right, so a quick fill on what all happened there with Ziggy, you know, my bus there. Bearing and the pulley kind of locked up, that's why it stalled. And I run back down, you know, I saw my lights on, the red and green light were on. It sucks, it happens to your bus, you know. Bearing inside there locks up. You can't turn it, can't turn the fan, overheats, so you can't really run on that. So I heard that squeak while Jason and Chris were pushing me. Bummer, it happens, you know, we're with everybody. Trip goes on, so we'll see where we're at, but looks like we gotta go rescue a bus later. You ever been here before, Daddy Martin?
Nope.
You excited?
I guess. It's food. So how'd it go?
Oh, look at that.
Crappy metal.
The joy of when your Volkswagen breaks down is you get a ride with other people. So I'm back with Mark. You've seen him before.
Hey, how's it going, VW Live?
Go ahead.
Hey everybody, we're VW Live here and we're all about to do the Longhorn Cabin in just a few minutes, so yay.
Boom, killed it. Well, VW Lifers, we're going down in the cave. So when Martin gets eaten by a bat, we won't be able to document it.
I'm gonna get rabies.
You already got the rabies. Well, Pops,
Look at that, Jake.
We got new stickers for the buses. Look at that, very nice.
But my bus didn't make it.
But you were here in spirit. That's close enough. It's on its way. Cool trip.
Yeah.
I mean, I think we learned today that one thing about cruises is you should have a destination.
Yes.
Because it gets people more involved. So to go eat lunch and then do something in the afternoon, and then I don't know what time it is, 4 o'clock, something like that.
4:20.
So 4:20 probably. So plenty of time for people to do something else. The Longhorn Caverns was cool. We had a lot of fun. Our tour guide M was quite the character.
Yes.
So that was good. But it was fun. It was a lot of fun. And now we road trip back, save Ziggy, and take it to the house.
Oh yeah.
Let's roll.
Whew! Where'd my bumper go while Ziggy was sitting here?
Thieves.
So while we were sitting here, pulled off the steering dampener. Our friends are on their way, and we decided to go ahead and pull the motor.
Well, get close.
Yeah,
I mean,
close, yeah.
We're at the point now where it's just the bolts and we pull the motor. So this isn't what's supposed to be happening. And that's a new generator. So I'm not picking on anybody, but I'm sure it has wonderful Chinese bearings. What a day, AJ.
Yeah, Pops, Bus Guru, the old man. He goes by many names, but some people call him Gary. It was a stressful day.
Yeah, it did need to be, man.
For me, everyone else had a great time.
Yeah, VW Live, buddy. We had a generator bearing failure. Mm-hmm. And it's a brand new generator. Well, for what it's worth, I think that's what we're running into. I mean, with the parts out there, you guys are probably seeing that sometimes. I mean, that's just what it is in this day and age. That's a brand new generator. I don't know how many miles. I've been have a lot on it. You know, in an air-cooled Volkswagen, generator failure, bearing failure, that means you're dead in the water. So,
because why?
Well, because I mean that's running off your crank, and then that's what cools your motor, the fan and everything. So, the good news of the day is we got good. Like I tell you all the time, it's about your community, and we had some friends that was like, hey, they just got their thing back. And they wanted to kind of drive it, so one of them drove the thing, and the other person drove their tow vehicle, and they were able to meet us to where we had left Ziggy this morning, and they got Ziggy hooked up on the tow bar. They swing by our house, grabbed the tow bar, and came on out there, and here's old Ziggy, came home on the end of the tow bar.
Oh yeah. But man, I gotta say thank you to Jason and Mark and a lot of those guys today. Thank you for making room in your vehicle and letting me tag along with them. It's like you said, it's the community, and that's what it's all about, man. Is getting out there like this road trip today with our boys, with our friends and lady friends. It was just such a good time and great people. And I think someone asked me like, why is Volkswagen such a cult of way to be? And Matt Jackson, I actually got interviewed this way before VW Live. Someone asked, why are you such a cult? And I said it's
a good thing, a cult.
Because Volkswagens can be for anybody.
Yeah.
You can be a multi-millionaire and drive a Volkswagen bus. Or you can be some guy who's looking for a job and drive a Volkswagen bus. But we're all together, man, and that's the Volkswagenism. And so it was a great day with great people.
It was, man.
And it's a good reminder that just, you saw the quote, Mr. Manning on the old Volkswagen bus documentary. He says, you meet the kindest people when you're broken down because don't stop.
Yeah, that's very true. It doesn't take much to put something together like this in your community.
Oh, no.
I mean, in today's day and age, I mean, you got Facebook and Instagram and all the other kind of social media things. It takes nothing. Say, we're going to meet up, let's do it, and go have lunch somewhere and go do something that we all talked about that. We would never go to the caverns, just you and me. Or, a lot of people say that. But when you had a big group, we were in there and we were like cracking jokes and making fun, and some of them were a little off color. So
I got yelled at.
Yeah, you did. Well, what's new? But I mean, it was fun because we're all together, and then you know what? Ziggy's home, and we're gonna pull the motor tomorrow, and we'll put another generator in there, and then it'll be down for half a day, and we'll be good to go again. So that's it. That's what we're doing. Hey, thank you guys so much for joining us. Make sure you subscribe, hit the like button, tell everybody you know, tell your aunts, tell your uncles. VW Life, share comments and tell us what you guys are got going. Man, we want to know. Put some stuff together, all right?